Hey up guys, it's a Wolf. It's time to do an unboxing sent from a sponsor, Solar Plexus, for the club stand and the YouTube channel. So what have we got? One, two rear windows. The rear. Windscreen. And this should be the banner. Guys. That's the banner. We've even got the stickers, rear bumper stickers or window stickers. Then we've got the t-shirts with Solar Plexus on the arms, and the rear t-shirts. We've got two of them. And it also comes with the fitting kit and gloves, so you don't get any residue on the sheets. These sheets I like using, they're a lot better than having to tint your windows by using water and then having a glue. And plus, if anything changes, you can, within law, you can they're easy removed without having to heat it up and then take them back off again. So guys, this video is sponsored by Solar Plexus, giving you window tint sheeting. The order for the banner, the t-shirts and the stickers don't come with the orders. This is solely, they've sent them solely for an event we've got coming up on the 7th and 8th of September. That's what I'm going to bring you on to the next, which is the 7th and 8th of September. We're meeting at Morrisons, Heapham Road South, Gainsborough, and then travelling in convoy to the Leverton Windmill. So this is where we're meeting on the 7th to travel in convoy. I'm just going to walk around the Brutus now, show you what we've done so far. The vents, which are real, they are open. The edges do need tidying up. I've done the front. The Continental stickers, I missed that. I have done the front, sprayed the front valance and the spats, also the lines in the front. The solar plexus stickers have now been fitted all the way around. Both Ford badges have now been vinyled over, so they're completely black. We've also got this mascots. We've got two mascots for the event. We've got Pikachu. I've got Brutus the Wolf. Everything works on the car. The only thing I've got to do next is a service, and then that's about it. So guys, hope to see you down here soon. They have offered us the full car park for the event, all top half. We are looking between 85 cars and upwards of 35 bikes, all travelling national from different areas. So remember what I said. We're meeting down here at 11 o'clock. It is on the Facebook group, but if you're not on Facebook, you can catch it on YouTube, on the YouTube channel. I'm pretty impressed with this, what I've done so far. See, another solar plexus decal. So guys, take it easy, catch you soon. The next video will be fitting the kit to Dark Angel's Focus, which are the solar tint sheeting, giving a 95% protection and privacy, so people can't see in, but you can clearly see out of the vehicle. There's no bubbles using these sheets. You're not having to use a glue. You're not having to use a heat gun to take them off, which can result in cracking windows, especially the back window, which can fracture and they can spit glass all over the place. You can find glass for months after doing it. So guys, tell me what you think. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around montage with one of his new music tracks. These are solely our music tracks as well.